Alright, Homo sapiens. Here we are, got this square body Chevy. Got for moving back to Wisconsin for a friend of mine. For Bernie, it's got a 283 in it. Huh? Been sitting a couple years. We got some hilariously dry crack tires. Look at how actually nice and original it is. It's got the old hubcaps. It's actually a pretty original vehicle. I kind of dig it. But you know, the 283 kind of sets you off a little bit. You're like, how? Why? When? It's got the custom painted door. Got a glass back on it. She's got boom tubes. No tailgate, but you know, we're just gonna try to get home with it today. It runs pretty damn good, honestly. It's kind of a sweetheart. The old 2-barrel in it. And the that's for the blower motor. What is it? Yeah, we'll see if we make it home with it without throwing a tire and having some conniption.